Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I got the McDonald's spicy crispy chicken sandwich. The homie Trickmaster Zero, I believe his name is, on TikTok told me to try this sandwich out, so here you go, bud. Spicy chicken, spicy crispy chicken sandwich from Mickey D's. All right, hopefully it's pretty good. Let's see what all comes inside. Of course, you know I got the meal, Dr. Pepper, fries included, but this is strictly just a review on the sandwich itself. I don't know if that's possibly maybe Thousand Island or maybe like spicy mayo, but you got the pickles, mayo, chicken, of course, a bun. Looks like it's on a pretzel bun, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right, so shout out to the homie again for referring this. Hopefully it's good. First bite. What? McDonald's, what is cracking, man? I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was gonna compare this to like maybe their McChicken. Yo, this sandwich actually ain't bad for real. You know, I'm debating on what to give this. I'm gonna give this a solid 8. 8 out of 10, for real. This sandwich is pretty good. Hey, McDonald's, you stepping up, man. You stepping up. I don't know if it can be, Popeye's spicy chicken sandwich. Not yet, not quite there yet, but if you guys go to McDonald's, man, try this sandwich out. It is not bad at all. I did get it as is too, because I'm not a big pickle guy. But it's good. And it's actually got a little bit of a kick though, for real. Usually spicy chicken sandwiches don't really affect me, but it's got a little bit of a kick to it. I think my next video, I want to try the, what do they call them, the fire noodles. There's Korean spicy noodles from I believe the brand is Samyang. If you guys like to see that video, please comment down below. Let me know if that's what you guys want to see next. Like I said, I'm down for whatever. And like I always say before, we do no cuts, no edits, straight raw. Yeah, this is good. And that bun is nice and soft too. Oh yeah. Trickmaster, man, good choice. If you haven't tried it yet, you need to try it. It's good. Not bad at all. A lot of sauce in there still. Well, there's my review on McDonald's spicy crispy chicken sandwich. 8 out of 10. If you make a trip out there to McDonald's, try it out. It's worth it. Like I said, guys, please comment down below any other foods you want me to try. If you guys want me to try that spicy noodles next, let me know. I'll be glad to try it. You know, I gotta eat my fries too. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Help the boy out. I'm just keep doing what I love doing, man. Love food. If you love food too, please give that a thumbs up. Until next time, guys. See you later. Peace.